Yay!
Going Italy. Yun. Hintay kami ng bus muna. Yay!
Yeah. See you in Italy, guys.
See you in Italy. Yun.
Please like and share.
Yun. Hey, welcome. Welcome sa airport ng Zagreb. You know, lilipad na kami dito. Oh, tingin Soy. Eh.
Yay!
Tingin.
Oh, Christmas tree.
Tingin, yun. Where? Oh.
Di pa ako na.
No? Ganyan mag-charge si paring Ramer sa cellphone niya.
Wala naman
Nag-charge na ba?
Hindi umakit eh.
Saan ba?
Hindi umakit.
Bilisan mo kasi.
Scam. Scam na ako. Ba't ibig na ma-charge na lobat? Ako na lobat eh. Hi guys. First vlog from Croatia. Going to Rome. I'm here in Croatia Airport International. Hi. Jan Manliklik. Hi. Hi.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Ryanair on flight 8836 announces departure to Rome, gate 22. Please prepare your travel documents and your boarding passes. We would like to call first on priority passengers with blue boarding passes to proceed to the gate 22. The rest of the passengers, please wait until we call your group number. Thank you for flying with Ryanair.
Tara.
The buckle cover. In case of loss of cabin pressure, mask like this will drop automatically from the panels above your heads. Remain seated and pull down firmly on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over nose and mouth, secure with a strap, and breathe normally. Don't worry if the bag does not inflate, oxygen is flowing. Fit your own mask first before helping anyone else. The life vest are stored in the pocket beneath your seat. If it's needed, remove the jacket from its pocket and place it over your head. Bring the strap around your waist, clip at the front, and secure as shown.
Okay, welcome to Rome. Nandito na kami sa Rome, guys. Yo.
Nahihina ako pre.
Oh. Nahihina naman tropa namin. Punta kang hanap ko muna kami ng CR. Yo. Welcome to Rome. Oh.
So,
ano, CR sa room. Soap, water, tapos air. 3 in 1 na. 3 in 1. Soap, water, air. Diba? Oh, papunta kami ngayon sa ano, sa car park namin. You know. Oh, tingin oh. Papunta tayo sa car park. Yun. Safely arrive, bro. Tara, let's go. Yan pala yung ano namin. Driver namin. Yun. Parang Pasay lang. Parang naiya lang daw, sabi ng mga tropa. Yun. Okay. Papunta kami sa ano, sasakyan namin. You know, ito pa yung sasakyan namin. Pre, yung gamit dito pre, sa likod. A Mercedes. Yan, naka Mercedes oh. Pre, bag dito sa likod.
Opa, Euro.
Okay, welcome. Our driver. Hi.
Ah! Prego.
Can I sit here?
Eh.
Ah, okay.
Kaya yung dalawa.
Yon. Transit tayo. Okay, kumusta guys?
Hello bro.
Yun.
Ipilit lang yan.
My tablet is
May tablet mo daw. Inupuan niya.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see it. Sorry. It's color like the leader. Karon pa punta na kami ng bahay. Saan nabook naming bahay. Yun. So guys, yun. Oh, vlogger. Galing oh. Yun.
Uy, babayaran mo yan. Sinasama mo siya sa video mo.
Oo,
Book na tayo. Hindi niya yata alam.
ito yung train sabi niya train. Yung babayaran.
no train. No, it's expensive.
Ah, expensive train ha.
Pilipinas na pala dito.
Vlog dito, di ba?
Dito maganda dito, pre.
Dito na kami sa ano, sa reception.
Maganda yung bati lang dito.
Ah, okay, Rel. Yun.
Cheese.
Yun. Dito kami sa ano, bahay namin. Nag-ano muna kami. Pali shorts. Yun.
Bati ka.
Uy! Ganda oh. Ito pala yung... Uy! Ano yun? Ay, sorry. Oh, Vatican. Yun. Manly clutch.
Opa.
Yun, may ano tayo kami. At least may tubig dito. Pwede makain.
Mas mura dito.
Mas mura dito. Magkano? Oh, at least yung mga bilihin namin dito, mura lang. Yun. Pero coins lang, walang wifi. Hindi pwede wifi payment. Coins lang. Yun.
Olives, patata, puti, kuskus.
Oo.
Ano yung kuskus?
Kuskus.
O Sprite, Focaccia, con Tagliere, De Salumi,
Oh.
Pure, o Proste, Calamaretti. You know Calamaretti? This one, small soup.
Baseball shrimp.
Squid yun. Ay, squid. Sorry.
Yun, kinuha na ang ano namin.
Hindi umuulan, lalabas tayo. Explore natin.
Kahit umuulan.
Yun o. Tol.
Pilipino.
Yo, may kabayan tayo. Oh.
Dito ka?
Okay. Hello. This is our reception.
Ciao. What's your name? Miriam.
Miriam.
Nice to meet you.
Si
Ciao.
Miriam. She's talking about where we
Yeah.
going.
We're going to Vatican.
Okay.
So we are here. Okay. You can go by bus for the night bus. The yellow one until the metro station by Laurelia. Okay.
Pamilya mo nandito na.
By metro, just 2 stops. Ottaviano, then go straight.
Just walk.
Yeah. And it's St. Peter, the church, Castel Sant'Angelo.
Oh, we have two.
Yeah, you can see
Okay.
this part. And maybe, if you want, you can also just like cross the bridge. Maybe you can see Piazzanavona.
Mr. Sinabona, what's this? Coliseum?
No, Coliseum is here. But this is the like the city center. You have Fontana di Trevi, Pantheon, Piazzanavona. Yeah, everything is
So
by
we
walk.
have access here.
You can also go, you know, there is this bus way too. You can go the pink one and go inside the city. Spend steps, why not? Because you have just one day. It's up to you. This is the Vatican. If you have time and if you want, you can also go there. Okay?
Ah, the piazza.
Bravo. And there is a shopping center here, Aura,
Yeah, the aura. The mall.
next to the
Metro.
the metro. If you need something, you can go there. And there is a restaurant here, Golden Italy. It's 5 minutes by walk. It's really good. Pizza, pasta, tiramisu. Okay? And if you want to go at the metro walking, just go straight. There is a roundabout here, and then upstairs you have the.
I mean, for the metro, how do we pay?
You can do the daily pass. It's I think €8 at the metro, or I sell tickets here, €1.50, and you have 100 minutes to use metro, bus, and change the line if you need.
100 minutes.
1 hour and 40.
You don't have the €8 or unlimited
No,
for
here
one
no.
day?
For one day, just at the metro. But
100
you know,
minutes.
if you go once and come
Yeah,
back
it's
once,
finished already.
it's €3 per person with the one that I said.
Yeah, so only pay because only 100 minutes.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, wait. So, guys, we're going to buy your ticket.
If you want.
For how many? I will buy for the ticket €1, right?
€1.50.
150. So how many of us? 6. Okay. Give us 6 tickets for the year.
Yeah, of course, it's free.
Okay, we have now a map. A map acquired.
What about this Coliseum, ma'am? How many minutes from here?
From here by metro,
From
like half an hour.
okay, still,
Yeah.
still accessible.
Because the ticket is the same if you change the line. When you are in Termini, get off from the metro and you have the direction to go to the blue line. Okay? But it's really easy.
So it is better we will go first here and then we will go back there, right?
You can also do this. Yeah, because you can do this. Actually. Let me see if I can. If you go first in Colosseum, change in Termini and then there, you can do this. Walk. This is all ancient Rome. It's really beautiful.
We can
History
see everything from
is
here.
amazing.
Uh-huh.
And then do this.
Just by walking.
You can see Pantheon,
Fountain.
Piazza Navona, Trevi Fountain. Then
Navona.
take this bus, 492, the pink one, also here if you need. And then go in the Vatican.
Uh-huh. Walking only this from bus. I suggest this one.
Maybe that's the best. And if you can't see everything, it's an excuse to come back.
No, we don't have this.
When you want. Dimmi, Freddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dobro, bravo.
Yun, no?
Bravo.
Oh, Del, hindi ka na nakikinig, ah?
Nagugutom na to eh.
May quiz kami mamaya. Ito, wala na to. Wala, hindi nakikinig. Okay? May mapa na kami. Acquired. Nice one. Yes! Okay. Oh, ito pala yung ano, sa Rome na ticket. Guys, yan. Okay, nandito kami sa Rome. Doon. Rome na ano, subway, underground. Underground to, ha?
Ayan, friend. Ayun.
Mahaba to, mahaba oh.
Second stop, baby. Pangalawa lang, pangalawa.
Yeah, go, go.
Raining.
Oh. Ah. Picture.
Ah.
Yan po yung ang Colosseum. The Gate of Gladiator. Dito sa Rome. Makulan nga lang, kaya hindi kami lalagay ito. Pero goods pa rin.
Okay, update po. Nawawala na po kami dito sa Roma. Hintay po kami ng bus. Oh, anong feeling na nawawala na tayo, pre?
It's okay.
Okay lang.
Nasa Roma naman tayo.
Iyong sa Roma.
Makakauwi din tayo. Pakita mo,
Okay.
pre. Yung sinakyan natin sa train.
Ito yung train namin. Pauwi sa bahay.
Alam mo,
Yun.
may masasabi na ako yun.
Oh, ano?
Hindi easy yung mag-travel. Pero masaya.
Oh, yun. Kahit na nawawala tayo.
Adventure.
Adventure yun.
Adventure.
Morning. Pre.
Yo! Yo, man!
Del. Morning. Pagkain namin. Breakfast. Kape. Ano? Iyo, no? Merry Christmas, pre. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hala, hindi tayo bumili ng coffee.
Okay. Breakfast. Oh. Picture tayo.
Wala, pre. Pagdating sa Milan yan, ubus na boses mo.
Ubus na.
So, ilang isa lang ba?
Hello guys, this is the Step Fountain. And this Step Fountain is 18th century Renaissance nakatayo. And it was about built by Italian architect Nicolai Salvi. And as you can see, sobrang ganda niya. And ayun, ano pa kayo dito guys. Bye!
TV fountain. Bilis oh. Yan oh.
May umbrella.
Tayo. Pre. Tapi tayo. Yun o. Ano pre, sakay na tayo sa ano?
Yes, sir.
Sige. Si Rod din.
Dito ba tayong...
Oo, 7. 7 yan, 7. Number 7. Oo,
Okay, 7.
7.
Pito.
Number 7.
May 6 na ako, 6.
Ano naman?
Couch, ang couch ang tingnan mo, hindi yung ano.
Ano number ko ba?
More of fish.